As of May of 2025, Skype is officially shut down. After more than 2 decades of service, Microsoft has finally pulled the plug on one of the most iconic communication apps. With that in mind, many users are now looking to remove Skype from their Windows 11 PCs. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to uninstall Skype on Windows 11. First, click on the Start button and select Settings. You can also press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open the Settings window quickly. Next, in the Settings menu, click on the Apps from the sidebar and then click on Installed Apps. In the Installed Apps list, scroll down or use the search bar at the top to find Skype. Once you see Skype in the list, click the 3 dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Then confirm the uninstallation when prompted. If you want to remove leftover Skype files, open File Explorer and go to See Users, Your Username, App Data, Roaming, Skype. Delete the Skype folder if it's still there. Be careful, only delete files if you're sure you no longer need any saved chats or settings. And that's it. Skype is now uninstalled from your Windows 11 PC. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tech how-tos. Thanks for watching.